Want to get into digital marketing but feel lost? Don't worry. Start with these 5 skills and you'll be ahead of most beginners. Copywriting. Learn how to write words that make people click, buy, or sign up. Analytics. If you can read numbers, you can improve anything. Start with Google Analytics, Meta Dashboard, and a bit of Excel. Canva design. You won't always have a designer, so know how to create a simple, eye-catching post yourself. Content writing. Blogs, captions, or LinkedIn posts. Platform basics. Be comfortable with Meta Ads, Google, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Learn these first, the rest will follow. Share this with a friend who's starting out.